Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll see how to use multimodal model and text to image. Okay, so the multimodal and text to image models. So here we'll explore the text to image models and how they connect to multimodal AI and how we use it in finance. And as you can imagine, we rely in finance increasingly on many visual context, many infographics and these materials. And generative image models can help automating these things. So we'll see a few things, how to generate financial themed images using DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3, and also multimodal visual models to analyze financial charts and convert them into stylized visuals and build a pipeline of equity research as an application. Okay, so here is a basic Colab instruction. Okay, so first we'll generate financial visuals using DALL-E. Okay, and in the first one we'll use DALL-E 2. So DALL-E 2 is usually commonly used. So we have a client, OpenAI client, and as you can see, DALL-E 2. And then we prompt something what you want, like here, a busy stock trading floor with large digital screen showing market data, traders in suits, dramatic, and you get the idea. So, and we create this image here. Okay. Usually doesn't take too much time. Probably 30 seconds or so. Yeah. So here you can see there are a couple of images being generated. Okay. Okay. And if you need a bit of higher quality image, then you can use DALL-E 3. Um, so here's a DALL-E 3 with, uh, I guess, a sleek modern financial dashboard showing stock portfolio performance, candlestick chart, pie chart allocation, and so forth. Okay. So here is basically some of the image. Okay. And you can, of course, save it like here. Okay. All right. And now it's the vision analysis of the charts. Mhm. So first we generate three financial charts. So here's first set up the Google. Okay, so we'll generate financial charts using Matplotlib and then feed the chart to GPT vision capability and ask to analyze the chart as a financial analyst would, and then use the multimodal pipeline like DALL-E and Vision to convert the financial chart into stylized infographic. So let's see. So Matplotlib here and some kind of stock chart, I guess. So you can see here some hypothetical stock charts being generated. Okay. And then have the GPT. Here we use GPT-5 Mini, and um, we, we prompt US senior equity research analyst, analyze the stock chart in detail, describe the overall price trend, identify nodal patterns, comment on the volume pattern, what's the relationship between the price and moving average, and so forth. And we feed it into a model and see what it gives. So it takes a bit of time to basically go over this chart. And here we go. The summary of a 2 month window chart shows a period of hourly strength, multi-week consolidation weakness phase. So you can see that it actually writes a report based on that chart. And then generate a portfolio allocation chart here. Okay. So that is so what it can do. and then multimodal analysis of the portfolio chart. So what you're prompting is you're an investment advisor, you are reviewing clients' portfolio allocation chart, describe the allocation breakdown to see, is portfolio well diversified, what's the risk profile, and what changes would you recommend? And you can see the whole analysis being done here. Okay. And then image to image, convert chart to stylized infographics. So we start DALI 3 in the image to generate here in the response. Okay. Okay, so here it basically describe something and then put an infographic chart here. Okay. The last is basically an application of writing equity research report. So here we build a pipeline that generates a one-page equity research report. It has basically three steps. First, we call GPT-5 Mini to write research report text. The prompt gives its company name, asks for short equity research summary, sections to overview, and then we call DALI 3 to generate cover image for the report. Prompt asks for professional financial visual related company, and then we combine the text and image into a PDF Python library, and then create a title page and all these kind of things. Okay, so here we go. Okay, DALI 3, and then here's the title. And then we give an executive summary. And you can see that it's nicely done. Now we have cover image. Um, Image generation takes a bit time, typically. Okay, now it's done. Okay. So here it will take a while. So generate the table of contents. It's a piped image format. Okay, now it's done. Now split the string into lines and then render report sections. All right, now it's done. And now we get the full report. So this actually takes a while. I run it, and you can see here they're rendering all the sections here. And then we put it into a PDF file and the equity report, which we can have it here. You can take a look at it. And you can see the whole report is done here. Okay. Actually, let me Let me just share the screen here shortly. So this is kind of the research report that's been generated and saved. Okay. Okay, so this is chapter 9. We covered three things, generating images using DALL-E and analyzing image with GPT's main vision, and then combining both into automated report pipeline. Okay. Thank you for watching the episode.